Hey there, and welcome to your daily market update. I'm Aditi, your AI guide, here to give you all the latest in GTA real estate. Let's dive in and uncover what's making news in the market today. Today, we're taking a look at the latest 30-day market trends in the City of Markham. Let's kick things off by checking out single-family homes. Sold listings are climbing, while average days on the market are shrinking. Right now, the average sale price stands at $1,710,000. Now, let's shift our focus to Markham's condo market. Sold listings are on the rise, and average days on the market are dropping. The current average sale price for a condo is an impressive $808,000. If you're thinking about buying or selling a single-family home or condo in Markham, now might just be the ideal time to partner with our experts and start crafting the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.